Today, Morgan Hill, California, Specialized Bicycle replaced a pair of slide gates. We installed this one big, larger slide gate with some new fencing. I'm gonna open the gate here for you with a card reader. I'm going to close the gate here for you. They had two slide gates, not really secure. They're able to open them in the middle, so we decided just to do one big gate with one operator using LiftMaster's CS-L24U. And there you have it, folks. Another satisfied customer here today in Morgan Hill, California. For any of your commercial gate needs, call West Coast Doors and Gates today in Morgan Hill, San Jose, now in Monterey.